We all know that we should be drinking more water, but if you're like me, sometimes it can be a little boring. You might have a water bottle with you, but you just ignore it. So here are some fun ways to get your H20 that even the most stubborn person will enjoy. First, let's make our very own infused water. Grab your favorite fruits and herbs and let's get chopping. I'm using watermelon, mint and basil today, but some other popular combos are oranges and rosemary, lemons and thyme, and strawberries and sage. Once you've got your ingredients chopped up, throw them into a pitcher of water and let it sit for a few hours so the flavors can infuse. This is one of my favorite ways to stay hydrated, because not only does the water taste delicious, but you also get a little health boost from the fruit and herbs. Alright, next up, let's talk about hydrating foods. Did you know that cucumbers are 96% water? Well, there are plenty of other foods that are just as hydrating. Think juicy fruits and veggies like watermelon, spinach, strawberries, and oranges. So next time you're thirsty, try snacking on one of these first before you reach for the water bottle. You might be surprised at how much it helps. Now, it can be tough to remember to drink water throughout the day, but there are a few fun tricks that can help. First, you can set up animated text reminders on your phone. There are tons of free apps available that can help you stay on track. My favorite is called Plant Nanny. You basically set up a cute little plant, and then the app will send you reminders to drink water. The more you drink, the happier your plant will be. Another trick is to buy or make a marked bottle. There are tons of different kinds out there, but I like the ones that have time markers on them. That way you can keep track of how much you're drinking throughout the day. Staying hydrated doesn't have to be boring. There are plenty of fun ways to get your H20, so don't be afraid to get creative. Try infused waters, hydrating foods, reminder hacks, and anything else you can think of. Just do what works for you and stay refreshed without the boredom. Which tip will you try? Comment below.